week this week is slightly different. It's a trade I've just taken. It's NZD USD short. Now, as you can see on this H4 time frame, we have a line of support here that has just been breached by NZDUSD. USD across the board would appear to be on the move higher. So if that's on the move higher, that means NZDUSD is going to lose ground. Now on H1 we can see that the WS1 pivot comes in at 70.88, which is 20 odd pips below the current price. So every chance the price will head down to the pivot, and at that point we can get a break even, or just better than break even stop on the trade. However, there is a fair chance price could make it all the way down to the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, which is at 70.64. So that's about 60 pips away from here, and underneath that, should the price break through the 200, we've got the 61.8 Fibonacci pivot, 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is another target. So all the signs are that the price of this pair, we can put a trend line here, we can see that we're in a general downward direction, and we're going to get a squeeze between the 200 on the daily and this falling trend line. So where we go after we hit the trend line is anyone's guess, but for the time being I'm short this market, and I fully expect the price to make it down at least another 30 or 40 pips, where we can reassess the situation to see if we can get some more pips out of this market. One other thing worthy of note is this indicator here. This is, I have mentioned this before, and I've done a video on this indicator. This is the sentiment index. It's a very key feature to my trading, because the sentiment index gives you a snapshot of the market, and as we can see, this represents the retail traders. This is the herd. This is where the bulk of people's positions are trading today. The data from this indicator is taken from all the major brokers, and as we can see, 61% of people today, the retail traders, believe the price is going to go higher. Now that's really good for me, because as the retail traders are frequently wrong, this is a contrary indicator, and if 61% of traders are long, you can bet your bottom dollar the price will fall and all these traders will lose. So I like this now. This is with 39% of sellers in the market. I believe those sellers have got it right, and we are going to see the price decline from these levels. So I'll update this particular trade in due course.